Equal to identify various evaluation techniques including closed procedures to assess students' learning and inform instructional decisions. Value the importance of using a variety of assessment methods to promote student learning and growth while maintaining ethical standards in assessment practices. Accurately administer variety of assessments, including speed and comprehension tests, to provide meaningful feedback to students.
Thank you, everyone. For introduction. Introduction. Assessing level through informal reading inventory, or IRI, children differ in terms of the potential they bring to the classroom. Consequently, they will learn to read and scoring tests, rate, reading achievement will be assessed informally with the use of reading oral reading paragraph test. That informal reading inventory determines the pupil's independent, instructional, and preparation reading level. So through our informal reading inventory, we can identify the student as down to the instructional, independent, or and preparation levels in the reading capacity. What is the independent level? It is the reading level in which the pupil can successfully do without the teacher's help. Can you read Messenger of help? Mr. Gerald?
For instance, Ben is in third grade. He can read paragraphs for third grade with 99% accuracy, recognition, and 90% comprehension. That means Ben makes only one pronunciation error in every 100 running words and comprehends fourth grade materials with 75 to 89% accuracy. Therefore, his instructional level is grade 4. It means that Ben can read selections of fourth grade difficulty with some help. If he makes more than 5 errors in every 100 words, and if his comprehension is less than 75%, that 5th grade material is too difficult for him. Ben has reached his frustration level.
So, as a future teacher, we should be mindful on what reading materials we can redistribute to our learners so that it can para dili kita mag-isip sila. Like for example, grade 1, so dapat ang reading materials na imunatan ang 1, dili so para mahinder mo na sila sa progress. Dili dali sila like for example, dili dali sila ma-addict like for example sa pang-Ben, dapat na third grade sila, so dapat third grade na reading materials. Dili lang more on difficulty na kay mahinder na sila progress sa reading. I can read
The pupil's success in learning to read will depend on the accuracy in determining his reading level. If he gets a book at his instructional level, he will feel comfortable because it is neither too hard nor too easy. In contrast, frustration level materials will discourage and upset him, while too easy reading selection will hinder progress in acquiring higher level skills.
So we can identify the reading capacity of that individual for the learners if we are comfortable with the reading material. Like for example, if grade 1, ang learners with grade 1, so ang atrihan na reading materials ng grade 1, dili sa nato daw ma-memorize na nila kung balik-balik na, so dapat magkuhan sa kanan, dapat wala ko na magara, naghapon progress sa ilang basa. Dili kay daw na-memorize na nila, so paano magalit sila, so balik pa dapat daw makatag sa kanan, para mas magkuhan na to ang reading selection nila na hindi ma-hinder nila pag-pronounce ng word, daon magalit na ka nga daon, hindi ko na makuha ng word. Like for example, sa isang sentence, tulo ang kabok, ay tulo ang ija daon, nasaya, so magalit ka. Please, guys. So, second bullet, the pupil does not know the word. It has to be pronounced by the teacher. The pupil substitute an incorrect word like cook or cook. The pupil repeats the word twice. This is an error because he is unsure of the next word and repeats the preceding word while trying to analyze the unknown word list. If ma-repeat ka nila twice, ano gagawin? Error na gagawin mo siya. So, magalit mo sa nagbabasa, ang error na gagawin mo.
The reporter was trying to say that if the first word was repeated, was read twice, meaning to say the next word, the reader is not sure or that he doesn't know what's the next word. That is why, only sa pagbasa at first word, for him to have time para mag-comprehend kung nasabot nila ng 1 second. That's an error already. Ma'am, how are we going to know that the reader is hesitant in reading the word? What's your example?
For example, sa John word like for example, sa cook, hindi ka mabasa is cook. Ay, kaya, like cook, hindi ka mabasa cook. So, isikan na sila data na paano natin sa mga error, may wayang nila nakasulat.
Lain naman sa ma'am, it has to be pronounced. Ano yung taglaw ma'am, the people substitute an incorrect word like book. When we say the student is hesitant in reading, sample lang, example, kanapa di dahil sa mga malibutan, meaning he is hesitant, but it is different when the student make a substitution on a certain word. For example, the word to, instead na to, he said book. Oh, that's an error. Pero pag hesitant ang estudyante na magbasa, di doesn't isa malito, for example, word error, pag basa mo nila, that's hesitant. That, no, we can conclude na hesitant si Jerome magbasa ng word. Oo. But if I substitute something, another word for a specific word, error niya kung daw sila. Ay, ano nila mabasa na nagtukma naman sila.
Dalit, move forward the close procedure.
I read this kaya
Testing technique, innovative roles of teacher in both formal and non-formal education demands proficiency in constructing, administering, and interpreting with guests. Standardized tests that have met the criteria of validity, reliability, and scorability are difficult to prepare. Planning good tests entails the preparation of test blueprints. Some test experts call this a table of specifications. Reading skills appropriate the target population, the number of items, and their percentage are spelled out in this table.
So as a future teacher, you should prepare a table of specifications or TOS by identifying the appropriate target population and also have a guide or blueprint in which very crucial. This procedure will allow us to provide a straightforward and efficient means to access reading comprehension of every learner. Just what is the close technique? According to Wilson L. Fever 1966, defined as systematic division of evidence for street, sentences, or etc. and a selection. The multilayered language patterns are then administered to the reader who attempts to use the multilayered pattern over again. Those who have used useless visualized passages will not immediately stand in row, the 50 to 300 words long with reference or 10 words selected. For the lower grade, reference or deletion is quite difficult. So every 8 free little fees. If confidence sila, for example, okay, dito 300. If I delete college naman kaso, completion is on 3 or 7 words. If ako sila, ilang ko na ako makatakanan that ghost story. Tapos basahon ni 25 minutes. Then after that, dapat video, every details of it, video, subtool, ay ma-apply na natin dali away and comprehension. Then after 5 minutes, wako na ako din, maghatag na sa the deletion ng 5 or the 7 college naman kaso, mag-deletion na sa 3 or 7 word. Then, dito na ako mag-ibaw kung nag-read ba talaga mo comprehensively. At ma-answer niyo without doon na-delete talaga ako ba ng mga words.
What is question? What is multi-related language? Ang multi-related doon,
Ang mga pattern dito sa kuan.
related. Okay. Sige, good. Next one.
How do we square this text? The percentage is determined by dividing the number of correct answers by the total number of most items on the desk. The percentage of items correctly completed by doctor can then be compared with a criterion skill ranking and following develop a criterion skill in which 3 levels were set up. First, with independent method for replacement of 51% or more of the level work. Second, instructional level for replacement of 31% of the living work. Frustration level less than 40% of the living work were replaced correctly. For example, independent level, may mga pag mo ito gawin mo sa independent level, ang correct is 50. Correct. Kung 50 to 300 words, ang correct is 1, ang correct is 1. Kaho, 1 example. So, makaya na nila without a tutor or teacher. Ang mag-jump in level. Pag instructional level, need pa sila ng ability from the teacher para ma-assess. Ang frustration level, o doon mas, kung need lang sa instructional, mas need pa sa frustration. So, the generally accepted scoring method is evolved as correct only exact statement of the living word. Several researchers scored synonyms at 50% to 75% correct depending upon the degree of closeness to the exact word. However, some researchers also found out that the scoring of exact replacement terms was most efficient and objective. They also concluded that those tests are reliable. While the fast runs on the effect of that. So it is important to have a close procedure so that we can identify that if the student is on the independent hit para kita tutukan ka ng
Di ba, ano may inukuha ko ba dyan ba rin? Patrol sa akin.
na words. May depende man kung balik pa. O sa college, ang ato diligon is fifth and seventh word. Mag-depend lang sa sarili mo. Ay, sa grade level ng letter C. Diba, kaya for example, pag sa grade 1, ang imo ang English 3 to 7 ba, na-contest na lang sa college, hindi ko sila ma-answer.
Okay, for example,
Sa activity na po, guys.
then lain na
Letter.
then lain na students na leveling by grade.
Balik po.
Ano at
Baliwin na ng mga kapatid. Model, makikita sila ka.